Welcome back to yet another epic episode on Caught on DashCam channel. We prepared another banger for your enjoyment only. This episode is packed with all sorts of crazy road encounters, and without any further ado, let's jump right into it.
I'm ashamed to admit it. Your mistress, at least, would have a different story. Jesus, if I had a mistress.
I'm just gonna go this way. What the hell is that?
You mean you don't have a mistress?
While patiently waiting at the traffic lights, this camera caught some really impatient and rude drivers who casually run a red light. This situation is totally crazy to me. Pedestrian was walking down the sidewalk and a driver who was exiting the parking lot hit him. How can you pull out onto the road and not see a pedestrian right in front of you?
Whoa, Jesus! You could look forward when you drive, thank you. Nice hit and run, bitch. Yeah, I'm all right. I'm okay. Wow. That woman didn't even stop. I sure hope the footage got her license plate.
Laws apply to pedestrians as well. You cannot cross the road when the light is green for the rest of the traffic.
That's why people get hit.
Two geniuses.
Audi driver in front of the camera did something that took everyone by surprise. He made an illegal U-turn at the intersection here, and this is how it looked like.
What is this called? Yeah, do you like it? Do you like the accent? Oh my God.
Instead of pulling up to the ramp as he was supposed to, this driver casually stopped in the middle of the road for some reason. With this clip, we conclude another episode on Caught on Dashcam. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this one, and if you did, please leave a like and hit that subscribe button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.